In today's video, I'm going to teach you Facebook Ads Lead, how to download leads from Facebook Ads Manager. Facebook Lead Download Meta Ads, 5 minutes. If you're running lead ads on Facebook or Instagram, downloading your lead data quickly and cleanly is essential for fast follow-up. I'll walk you through the exact path inside Meta Business Suite so you can export a clean CSV that reflects exactly what you're seeing on screen. Before we start, make sure you have access to the right business account and the correct page permissions. If something looks empty later, it's often a page selection or permission issue. First, head to Meta Business Suite. You can get there by going to the business portal in your browser. This hub pulls together your pages, ads, and inbox, and it's where the lead center lives. If you land in a different area, don't worry, everything we need is accessible from the main menu. Next, click All Tools. This expands the full list of features beyond the shortcuts. It's helpful to think of All Tools as your app drawer. If you don't immediately see what you need in the sidebar, it will be here. Now click Lead Center. This is the dedicated space for your native lead forms. If you manage multiple pages, check the page switcher at the top and make sure the correct page is selected. If you still don't see leads, confirm your date range and status filters. New leads can be hidden by a narrow time frame or by a status filter like unread, open, or archived. Choose the specific form or campaign you want to review. You can filter by form, campaign, ad set, or ad to narrow down to the exact source of your leads. The table you see, its filters, date range, statuses, and columns becomes your current view. That matters because your export will mirror exactly what's on this screen. When your view looks right, click the download icon to export a CSV. It may appear as a downward arrow or an export option. Remember, this file is filtered by your current view, so double check your date range and columns before confirming. CSV files open in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers, and they're easy to upload into most CRMs. If you want cleaner data downstream, align your table columns to include only the fields you actually need and set the time frame to match your reporting period. That's it. You've downloaded your leads. Quick recap. Open Meta Business Suite, go to All Tools, open Lead Center, select the relevant form or campaign with the right filters, and export the CSV from your current view. Save the file with a clear name and date so your team can find it fast.